Hello there, welcome to my channel, welcome to Yoga with Anja, and welcome to this easy seated yoga practice. This week, as I'm filming, I do struggle a bit with explaining what class it exactly is on this channel, but I think this class, if you've chosen to do it, you might feel like you don't want to do too much, you don't want to do something complicated, and it might have taken you a while to actually step onto your mat, dedicate your time, but now you're here and now we get a nice easy sequence in, but something that you feel you've moved and taken a good few rounds of breaths. I will see you on your mat in just a moment. So welcome. We begin today in a seated posture, and we're actually not going to move much further. So coming to a cross-legged seat if you can, gently place your palms down onto your knees. And then to begin with, we're going to do a few shoulder circles. So take your shoulders forward, up and down your back. And just do this a few more times as you ease your way into this yoga practice. Start to find your breath, inhale and exhale as you move. Very, very nice. Let's change direction. So squeezing the shoulder blades in together and then roll them forward and then down again. Beautiful work. And just as you do that, take it easy. You don't have to do too much today. It's really getting a good, comfortable practice in, let's say it that way. Very nice. Next in breath brings your shoulders all the way up to your ears. Take a nice deep breath, really lengthen through the spine, and then on the out breath, release. And let's take a moment just to go inwards by closing down the eyes. And as you've just taken those few shoulder circles, become aware of that area of your body, the tops of your shoulders. And really imagine your shoulders dropping away from the ears and slightly retracting. So shoulder blades moving in together at the back. We do that to let go of some weight that you might carry on the shoulders. And we also do that to allow the heart and the chest to slightly elevate and open up. Now to connect to the breath, start to inhale. Draw your breath all the way down through the nostrils, along the back of the throat, through the chest and all the way down into your belly. As you exhale, soften the belly first. Relax the chest and feel your breath moving back out through the nostrils. And just take a couple more of these nice, deep, nourishing breaths. Keep it simple. Enjoy breathing deep. Very, very nice, beautiful work. And now you decide you can either keep your eyes closed or open your gaze softly and then drop your left ear to the left shoulder. And really start to get in tune with your body. So notice how far your head wants to go and how far your mind wants to go. Sometimes we think we need to go further. So just dropping the head, allowing the right shoulder to be heavy. If you feel like you would like more of a stretch here, start to crawl your right hand away from the body. And for even more of a sensation, place the left hand on the outer edge of your head and just apply a little bit of weight. So you can choose any of those stages. Keep the shoulders down your back. Take another breath here. Reach into your fingertips. Beautiful work. And then slowly bring the head back to center. Bring your hands back onto the knees. And then drop the head over to the right shoulder. Have a look that you're really parallel to the shoulder. Ear to the shoulder, and head is heavy. If you've done it on the other side, start to mirror that posture. So you would extend through the left fingertips. You might take the hand onto the outside edge of your head and just apply a bit of weight. Imagine you breathe into that beautiful, nice long neck of yours. Take another in breath, another out breath. Again, if your arm is extended, reach into the fingertips. Beautiful work. And then slowly bring the head back to center. And now for everyone, extend both of your arms away from the body. Drop your ear to the left shoulder again, and then start to roll your head to the center and for a half circle to the right side. And that's how we continue for a few moments. So you're just finding a nice half circle. Make sure as you sit here, you keep the belly relaxed and soft. Very, very nice. And then start to come into full circles. So keep going, lead the way from your nose. If this is not comfortable, just keep doing half circles, but see how it feels to really drop into these nice big circles. Then slowly change the direction. Maybe keeping the eyes still closed. Beautiful work, very, very nice. And then slowly, slowly guide your head all the way back to center and release. Now from here, I would like you to change the cross of your legs and then extend your left arm down and away from the body. So the palm is on the floor. For your side stretch, inhale, reach the right arm, flip the palm, and then find into your side body stretch. Nice long extension from the hip all the way into your fingertip. Keep the shoulder relaxed. Keep the arm nice and easy here. Gaze soft. Beautiful work. And then come back to center. Drop the right hand down. Extend the left arm all the way up and overhead. And really feel this whole side lengthening. Take deep conscious breaths here. And now let's bring that into flow. Inhale. Windmill your arm to center. Exhale. Arm extends up and overhead. Breathing in, breathing out, side stretch. Very nice, couple more rounds. Again, the eyes today especially can be really closed here if you just want to keep it nice and soft and stay inward. Beautiful, let's take one more round. Very, very nice. And then from here, slowly release, come back to center. Now extend your left leg, bring the right foot toward your inner thigh. You can have your left leg straight or bent. As you inhale, reach your arms up. And as you exhale, start to twist and turn towards that right knee. Bring your left hand down, your right fingertips behind you. Every time you breathe in, lightly push the floor away with your right hand to lengthen. And every time you breathe out, notice if your body wants to go a little bit further to the side into that twist. And while you're twisting over towards the right, imagine you pushing the leg over to the left as if you want to kind of get your body away from somewhere, creating a bit of resistance. Take another in-breath here to lengthen. Look all the way back towards the right shoulder. Beautiful work. And then ease off, come back to center. And let's change the side. Right leg is long, left foot towards the inner thigh. Now breathe in to lengthen. Breathe out to turn. Right hand down, left fingertips behind you. Every time you inhale, create length. And on the exhale, twist. Keep your head over the heart. Sits bones grounded. Let's take another moment to look back, to lengthen, to elongate through the spine. Beautiful work, very nice. And then release, come all the way back to center and bring your legs back into cross-legged. Now from here, interlock your hands behind your back. You can either stay there or you can draw your knuckles down and away from the body. So the further your arms are away, the more you might come into chest expansion. But your shoulders might not allow you to do that. So keep it wherever you like. Shoulder blades squeeze in. And then start to lift and open the heart up towards the sky. So you really feel that whole front body opening. Breathe into that space. Enjoy your breaths. Especially if you're sitting a lot or on the computer all day, this gets really shortened. The muscles actually get shortened. So open, open, open. Beautiful work. And then come back to center for the opposite. Interlock your fingers. Push your palms forward, round, round, round. Look towards your belly. And as you do that, feel your shoulder blades broadening. So the opposite of what we've just done. Rounding the chin to the chest. Now flip your palms forward and up. Come into your seat again. And lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Imagine your body becomes the tallest it has been all day now. So fingers are reaching up, sits bones are grounded. You're breathing in, breathing out here. Very, very nice. And then for our last posture today, cat and cow. Slowly roll yourself forward and find your way into tabletop. Hands under the shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Just find a nice long back first. And then for cat and cow, gently drop the belly. Lift your heart forward. As you exhale, roll your tailbone under, lift the shoulder blades. And just start to do that, these two motions, arching and rounding the back with your own breathing. Again, options to close the eyes or to soften the gaze. And imagine this is, even though you're mainly moving the back, imagine it's a full body movement. You feel your hands grounding as your foundation, solid foundation. You feel the shoulders rolling. Your hips doing movements here. And just really, really enjoy being able to move that freely with your body. Take a couple more rounds. Very nice, beautiful work. And then after your last round, find back into neutral. For child's pose, bring your big toes together, knees as wide apart as you like them to go. And then extend your arms forward. You can do like a diamond shape with your hands, so you're forming a mudra. Index finger and thumbs are connected, forehead on the earth. And just ensure your back is nice and long. And as you come into this posture, this is really our relaxation posture in yoga, but also I find it's the time to surrender. You're kind of bowing to the earth. You're telling yourself you trust, you let go. Everything that is okay. The process is there, however it is for you currently. So really drawing that energy in through the hands that comes up from the earth. And don't worry if that doesn't mean much to you today. Just allow your palms to soften, hips to relax. Let's take 3 cleansing breaths to seal off our practice together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. And exhale. One more full cycle of breath. Breathe in. Give it your all. Nice deep belly breath. Beautiful work. And exhale, exhale, exhale to release. And please feel free to stay here for as long as you like, or maybe add any of the other practices from the channel. And I thank you very much for your trust, for practicing with me today. Enjoy your day. Namaste.